Hi, welcome back to Healthy Palace. If you're considering going plant-based or just curious about the potential benefits, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore 5 compelling reasons why adopting plant-based diet is not just good for your health, but also backed by solid research. Let's dive in. By the way, my name is Serena Lee. I share quick tips on how to pursue a healthy lifestyle, focusing on plant-based diet and easy plant-based recipes. If you're interested in my content, please subscribe my channel. Benefit 1. Improved health. The first benefit of going plant-based is improved health, and the research supports it. A study published on the Journal of American Heart Association found that plant-based diets are associated with 25% lower risk of heart disease. Another study of Journal of Nutrition revealed that they can lower the risk of type 2 diabetes by 34%. Benefit number 2 is weight management. Research from the British Journal of Nutrition indicates that those following plant-based diet have a lower body mass index, short for BMI, and are less likely to be overweight or obese. So it's an excellent way to maintain or lose weight. This is not something I was looking for, but my weight is slowly going down for 4 to 5 pounds after going plant-based for 6 months. The third benefit of going plant-based diet is a positive impact on environment. And the numbers are eye-opening. According to a report by University of Oxford, adopting a plant-based diet can reduce the greenhouse gas emission by 73%, land use by 76%, and water use by 50%. That is a huge contribution to combating climate change. Benefit number 4 is animal welfare, and the research confirms the ethical aspect of this choice. A study in the Journal of Agriculture and Environmental Ethics highlights how plant-based diet lead to reduced factory farms and cruel farming practices, which means less animal suffering. The fifth benefit is a reduced risk of certain cancers. A comprehensive study by a World Cancer Research Fund found that a plant-based diet is associated with developing a lower risk of certain cancers, including breast, colon, and prostate. The fiber and antioxidants in the plant foods play a crucial role in this protection. So you can see these 5 benefits of going plant-based is not just the buzzwords, they are backed by substantial research. It's a win-win for your health, the environment, and animal welfare. But always remember, making the switch should be a well-informed decision. Consulting with your health professional should be the first great step. If you find this video informative, please give a thumbnail and subscribe to the channel for more similar content. Thank you for watching the video. As always, I hope you have a great rest of your weekend. Stay healthy. I'll talk to you soon.